last of the speaker of this session is Dr. Preeti Mendiratta, a rare combination of a specialist in novel material R&D and advisory consultancy. She comes from a company named Jabroyd India Pvt Limited, based out of Bangalore, which works on the climate sustainability and various innovative initiatives that are there in the field of global energy scenario. Over to Dr. Preeti.
Thank you so much, sir. A very warm greetings to all ladies and gentlemen in this magnificently glorious day. This is my proud privilege to address the galaxy of intellectuals present in front of me. I extend my gratitude to the Hydrogen Association of India for providing me this opportunity to share my vision and research with you all. I am Dr. Preeti, Head of Hydrogen Wing at Jabroyd India Pvt Limited. With the vision of the innovative initiatives in the field of global energy, he is Mr. Jayesh and Hivara, founder of Jabroyd India Pvt Limited. Our mission and vision towards the net zero carbon emission by 2050 and creating such an environment that does not need protection, sustainable development, world economy more inclusive, resilient and efficient, disruptive, innovative in the field of material science and quantum computing. Clean energy is need for this world, while world generating lots of pollutants enough to change adversely the ecosystem. We all are in the danger zone of the global warming, and action of alternative fuel is required to fulfill the energy demand. In order to reduce the level of carbon dioxide in the environment, Jabroyd is putting a step forward for the net zero emission for the better green tomorrow. Here, to attain the sustainability target and to create a better world which is free from GHG emissions, we are here to provide the consultancy related to the everlasting end-to-end hydrogen solutions. We are aimed to simple way for companies to disclose their climate risk and to create a generation sustainable business. There are the challenges for the end-to-end hydrogen solution. We are talking about the low durability and stability, type of the safety cylinder, catalyst requirement, safety issues due to highly inflammability, pressure maintenance, expensive metal uses, storage is complicated because it cannot be stored at low temperatures, and from the hydrogen for the easy transportations like ammonia, methanol, liquid hydrogens or methane. These are some questions that must be answered before do I have a steam or other utilities? What is the feed gas quality? Will it vary or stay constant? What the carbon intensity do need to take care? Do I want to make blue ammonia? What capacity do I want, and what purity of hydrogen do I want to produce, and what is the product feed gas and the pressure? Hydrogen generation. We know that hydrogen should be the better future fuel, and it can be generated by the 4 types of water electrolyzers, and it is an old and prominent technology for generation of hydrogen. And the company is Jabroyd can provide the advisory related to the less power input, cost cutting up to 25%, energy consumption for industrial decarbonization, sustainability analysis and efficiency of hydrogen and CCUS. And research reporting on manufacturing of stack, de-risking hydrogen, materials of electrodes needed in the stack, rate of energy consumption per unit production. And the consultancy related with that of techniques for the betterment, PM electrolyzer, alkaline electrolyzer, data analysis, high temperature electrolyzers, photocatalysts, pressure maintenance and data modeling. And R&D related to the light commercial vehicles, fuel cells, high temperature electrolyzer, and we also know that the novel materials like the existing use of critical materials for the hydrogen production is not safe and efficient. Now, in order to reduce the critical use of the material, there is an urgent requirement to replace such materials with some more suitable materials. And lot of amount of energy is needed to produce hydrogen. We work in the field of such a materials which could that more beneficial and enhance the efficiency of the produced hydrogen and can do the fast conversion of different forms of energy and can store a large amount of data and nanocomposites with the graphene oxides with photocatalytic systems, and the AbO3 structures, materials like ceramics, AbO3, perovskites, and the pyrochlore materials can also be searched for the to increase the rate of kinetics of both hydrogen evolution reaction and the oxygen evolution reactions. And moving towards the next slide, this is our approach towards the solution. We are working on the improving the climate sustainability from integrating cluster waste for the hydrogen production, design and development of new technology for the decarbonization, and the ultimate solution for challenges faced during the refuelings of the hydrogen, and evoking replenishment of methodologies of hydrogen to gather the need of the prospective users, and investigating of various materials used for the cost reduction method for the production of the eco-friendly environment. Thank you.